You see, the problem is when we're examining these things, Tom, is that we're always looking at them through the eyes of the ego. So when people fail to realize the illusory nature of what we call external reality. You see, let me quote a guy to you, Plato. In the Republic, he said something extremely significant when he said, true knowledge is knowledge of that which always is, and not of something which at some time comes into being and then passes away. Do you realize what he said there? That knowledge of that which always is, that is, being absolute and in and of itself. And most of our scientists, so-called, physicists, chemists, whatever you like, they deal with things which at some time come into being and then pass away. Everything that you perceive comes into being and then passes away. How is this possible? Things don't just hang there in the empty air. They have to be supported by something. There has to be an underlying reality which we don't normally perceive. We're blinded by the effects that we seem to perceive without realizing that they come into existence and go out of existence almost instantaneously. Because what you see outside in a world is a constant projection that you are participating in as well as observing. And this, at every tenth of a trillionth of a second, is a fresh projection of the world as we experience it. Every tenth of a trillionth of a second. It's getting close to what they call Planck time in physics. But I chose this particular figure because it's where molecular action stops, so that you have, everything is frozen. Everything perceptible is frozen.